I thought I'll have to be like this if I have to make a video for men. But no. So I decided I will make a video today because I've been getting so many requests from all the gentlemen out there to make a video especially for them. So first of all, thank you very much for asking me to make a video especially for you guys. I have been trying to incorporate tips where both men and women can make use of it. But if you felt that I should be making a video especially for gentlemen out there, then yes, this video is dedicated to you all. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 basic body types that generally men have. I will be sharing with you how to dress for these body types. So let's get started. And do watch the video till the end, there's a surprise for you. Though there are many body shapes in men, I have found these 3 basic body shape types very common in Indian men. The first one is the triangle.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
Yes, I'm talking about a body shape. And in this body shape, men generally tend to develop fat in and around their abdomen area. Maybe because they were built this way, or maybe because they have not been working out. So that was about the abdomen area, which is the lower part of the triangle. The upper part of the triangle shows that you have sloping shoulders. Maybe you've started to hunch over because of prolonged work. You sit in front of the computer all day long, and that's the reason why your shoulders are developing in that shape. You know, it's good to be in shape. So if you can go to a gym, you can work out and you can have a good build, nothing like it. But if you can't, then I am here to help you with the following suggestions. Tip number 1, build those shoulders, because sloping shoulders does not give that masculine effect. So how do you do that? You can wear suits. These suit jackets really help you, especially the padded ones. They help you build your shoulders. If you don't want to go for suits, you can wear denim jackets, you can wear leather jackets. If you think that suits and jackets and leather jackets and denim jackets, all of these are more for winter season and autumn season, then what you can do is you can wear shirts rather than t-shirts in summers. The second tip is to have button-down shirts with epaulets. Epaulets help you create shoulders that are well built. So this is a visual correction of the sloping shoulders. The third tip is to have double pocket. If you have double pockets on your shirts, it again creates that visual effect of a well-built muscular chest. Okay, before I tell you the 4th point, I need to clear a misconception. Men think that if they wear baggy clothes, then they will appear less bulky, which is wrong. So when you're wearing baggy jeans or baggy trousers, especially this is with the triangle shape, this makes them look even bulkier. So point number 4 is to avoid wearing baggy pants and baggy jeans, because that is not going to help you. Also remember that a good fit is the key to looking sharp. You don't want to wear anything too tight, and you also don't want to wear anything that is too loose or baggy.
Oh, you're right.
The last point is to have stripes on the chest area, which again will emphasize the upper part of your body and de-emphasizing the lower part of your body. So you can wear darker colors in the lower part of your body shape, and for the upper part you can wear lighter colors. So maybe t-shirts where the color is dark and on the upper part it has stripes that are lighter in color, so it emphasizes your chest area. Alright, let's move on to the second body shape type, which is the inverted triangle. The first point is to wear jackets that are not padded, because you already have so much here. You've got that muscular strength that you don't want to enhance it further by wearing padded jackets. So avoid wearing such types. If you're getting it tailored, ask the tailor not to add the pads to your suit jacket. The next tip is to wear V-neck t-shirts because they help you draw the observer's attention away from your bulky shoulders. You can also find t-shirts for yourself that have stripes in the abdomen area because that also helps you create a proportionate body shape. Avoid wearing skinny jeans because that makes you look like
Check the pants.
Johnny Bravo.
Do the monkey with me.
So wear something that is not tapering. Try more straight cut trousers and jeans. That would suit you better. If you're inverted triangle and you're also tall, then you can have pleats in your trousers because that helps you create an illusion of a full lower body. Let's move on to the third body shape, which is a rectangle. This body type is much more proportionate as compared to a triangle or an inverted triangle, and this is found in men who are lean and thin. So the top of the body equates the lower half of your body. Why? Because the shoulders, the waist and the hip area is very much equal to each other. So what can be done to make it more proportionate? Well, it's quite easy. Number one is to create an illusion of muscular shoulders. So you can have padded suit jacket. If not suit jacket, if it's some other kind of jacket, you can add an extra pad to it so that you create that kind of illusion. Also, you can have epaulets in your shirts, as I mentioned before, because these are the things that help you create more volume on your shoulders. When it comes to winters, layering is the best option for you. So don't just throw a jacket over your t-shirt, try to add more layers to it. So when you wear your shirt or your t-shirt, add a layer of a sweater, and then on top of that you can add a jacket. This three-dimensional figure helps you create an illusion of a well-built body. The next tip is to cinch your waist a little, and that can be done if you wear well-fitted trousers around the waist. So you can use a belt that helps you achieve that. Also, you should wear trousers and jeans that are straight cut. Don't go for anything that is skinny or too loose. These were some suggestions pertaining to the 3 body shape types, but there are many more body shapes and there are many more suggestions for you. So if you are interested in getting a virtual makeover done, then you might be interested in checking out our website www.theimagelaunchpad.com, where we have been providing virtual makeover services for over 3 years now, and our clients have been really happy with the services. If you want to invest in yourself and enhance your personality, then this is a great opportunity for you, because we are providing the virtual makeover services at a very special price. And to make it even more special, we are offering a 10% off. Click on our website's link given in the description box below and use the code TIL to avail the special 10% off. That's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon along with that, so that all my videos reach you right on time. So I shall see you next week. Till then, you take care, and don't forget that this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior and confidence. Bye bye.